Hello, Body Fangs, walk to the push. Guys, I am so bloody excited. I feel like a klein rooikop laaitie met sproete in a sweet shop. Why? Because power tools. Yeah, there's nothing like the sound of a drill that gives me chicken meat. Yes, yeah. Now this year, the Cosmo Group SA is holding a Suppliers Day. 2 days. Two days. On the 20th and the 21st of June, there in Silverton. All your top brands in power tools, from Inco to Milwaukee to Makita, to name a few, they're going to be there. There's going to be prizes, giveaways there, lucky draws. Yes, hierdie ding gaan groot wees. Groter than my hare. Yeah, so make a plan, okay. Pull in to Cosmo Group SA, there in Silverton, on the 20th and the 21st of June. I'll see you there on the Friday. Okay, thanks.